Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Funda family. In this video, I'll give you a brief idea about how network theory course is structured on this platform of Engineering Funda. This course is prepared for engineering, diploma and science students. I have an experience of 15 years. Based on that, I have prepared course on network theory. To prepare course on network theory, I have used 4 different books. First book is written by U.A. Patel. Second book is written by Anil Kumar. Third book is written by Ryder J.D. And fourth book is written by Mithal G.K. Here I have also used many practice problems based on GATE and UGC NET examination. So here you will be having comprehensive course which covers university examination as well as you can have an preparation of competitive examination. If you observe the syllabus of this course, then in total 17 chapters are there. With each chapter, I have explained theory as well as problems. See, first chapter is based on basics of network theory. Second chapter is based on equivalent resistance calculation. Third chapter is based on dot convention in inductor. Fourth chapter is based on mesh and nodal analysis. Fifth chapter is based on source transformation. Sixth chapter is based on Thevenin's and Norton's theorem. Seventh chapter is based on Millman theorem. Eighth chapter is based on maximum power transfer theorem. Ninth chapter is based on superposition theorem. 10th chapter is based on power in DC sources. 11th chapter is based on reciprocity theorem. 12th chapter is based on transient response. 13th chapter is based on Laplace analysis. 14th chapter is based on two-port network. 15th chapter is based on phasor diagram. 16th chapter is based on power in AC circuit. And 17th chapter is based on AC analysis. That is how in total 17 chapters are there. All the chapters are having high quality videos along with video editing and animation by which you can enhance your learning experience. Wish you all the best regarding this course. Thank you so much for watching the video.